Greetings, fellow ADHD millennials. Let's talk about progress over perfection. We all have goals and dreams, and many of us are our own worst critics. We tend to strive for perfection, but often feel overwhelmed with the thought of taking on any big project. Unfortunately, these feelings of all or nothing can lead us to becoming discouraged and anxious. But I'm here to tell you that perfect is overrated. In fact, it doesn't exist because progress is always better than perfection, and that's something that every ADHD millennial should know. It's okay to take small steps and move at your own pace. There's no need to feel ashamed or inadequate if you don't make as much progress as someone else. After all, everybody works differently. Your progress is still meaningful, and it's always worth celebrating. Making progress in any project takes hard work and dedication. But for those of us with ADHD, it's even more demanding. We tend to have an abundance of attention, which is why we are often told we are always distracted. That struggle to stay motivated makes it difficult to complete tasks. That's why it's critical to set realistic expectations for ourselves. Celebrate the small wins along the way, and remember to reward yourself for meeting your own goals. As we move forward on our journey towards achieving our goals, let's try not to focus too much on the end result. Instead of aiming for something unattainable, strive